Hi guys, I booted up. I'm on this system now, and all the software, well, most of the software that was there is installed. Now, we do not recommend you do that, right? But this is, for me, a test. If users select this and this package, will it get on their system, basically, right? And as you see, things changed. There is this no machine service that's running. This one is the clipboard manager that's running. We need to update, and this is the caffeine. So we always have machine plenty of caffeine, so it never goes to sleep and all that. I need to update, always a good thing to update, and maybe there's something to teach you, but I don't think so. I do see some things. BTRFS, did I choose that? I guess so. I did forget that. Duff. Okay, no BTRS. So X4, true. Otherwise, there's another message. That's true. Wouldn't say rsync, I think. I don't know. Anyway, we're pretty sure we've used X4, not BTRFS. And he's doing his thing, right? Syncing files with rsync. So he's busy. Why? Be busy. So, what did we install? Accessories. Albert is here. Android file transfer is here. Applications like these. Some of them I'll click, not everything, right? App image launcher is there. We need to fix icons as well, right? So, new application, new icons. That's for the Sardi and the Surfen developer, which is me. We do it monthly. Just take a look at the applications and see. Maybe you think, oh, that's nice, I want to have that too, right? A lot of things installed in here. Sakura, slim book battery for certain laptops. I think this is also for a certain Logitech. What is this? Peripherals manager. Okay. Synapse is there. New launcher is the latest, newest one. Well, latest. Last week's, let's say. Somewhere there. Development. Brackets section 12. Need to hide this. Nobody needs to have this icon there. What do you do with this thing, right? So I'll hide it. There's a trick for it, so you don't see it. IntelliJ melt. This is also for Androids to show screen copy of what you're doing. Games, all the games are on here, right? This took for ages, right? And the one that's the worst is this one, 1 gigabyte. So I have a unlimited internet service that's super, well, I don't know, it can always be better, right? But 45 megabytes per second, is that, no, megabits per second. Anyway, it's okay. It's the most expensive thing I can buy in Belgium, so voila, there it is. Maximum speed arrived or achieved. Voila. Internet, new guy, Android, Element is there. Google Chat Linux is new. FreeTube was a week or 2 or 3 ago. New. NeoChat is new. The only thing I do is the application install. If it's working, right, that's really up to the designer, to the maintainer. Extreme Download Manager is new. We can try and help, but basically people should develop something that works on Linux, not only on Ubuntu, but also on ArcoLinux. Droid Cam. Filebot is new. There was something from Make MKV somewhere. This is this one. This one. That's a new one. So it's amazing, right? If you look at the choices we have, it's amazing how many choices we have, and it's all for free. nothing new there. What's this? Regenerate? Ah, yeah, that's for the X launcher or something like that there. Well, this is not us, right? Who creates something with the name other? It's something. If the designer or the developer of this particular application doesn't tell the desktop, and every desktop is different, where it should go, it's another probably, right? The rest. App launcher here. Just overlooking the new guys, if I can see them. But I know already that they're installed, right? I don't need to check the menu, but hey, it might be interesting for you to have a look. Because here it is. Var, where is the log? Here it is. Log, Calamares log. You can always send us this and say, look, something happened. It's here. What happened is here. It's documented. So control find, exit code. There it is. Space, and then a code, and a colon, and a space, and a 1. Right? Which Plymouth? Which Plymouth? We don't use Plymouth. Or never will, probably. This is okay. I want to remove something that's not there. ArcoLinux Calamares tool. It's gone, right? That's how we selected the PTRFS, XFS, JFS. You know it. That's that. So it's still there, but it doesn't crash. That's the beauty of Calamares. You can tell them to try and install something or try and remove something, and that word try is important. Calamares will not fail, will not crash. It will say, okay, I tried, didn't work, voila, and it doesn't crash. So this is just me making sure that every bit of rubbish that I don't want to see on the user side is gone. We don't want you to have the Calamares tool there, nor the development tool there, nor the Calamares installer there. Any of the installers, the ArcoLinux next one, so the new one, the next I'm going to use, the development Calamares, the Git Calamares. There's so many versions of Calamares that make sure it's not on your system, the future system, right? So that's why it says always exit code 1, because this is an ISO that's called ArcoCalamares config XL Git. And this is dev-git, so that's a development package for it. So they do not exist on this thing, so it says I tried, but it's not there. I tried, but it's not there. Same for this, same for that. Boost lips, sometimes it depends, right? It's smart. Pacman is smart. It says let's remove it, but then it says no because GPEG needs it, or librevenge needs it, libtorrent, rasterbar needs it, and then voila, boost lips just stays on there. But if there's no application whatsoever on your future system that needs boost lips, it's gone. And you have a clean system where it's, well, there are no packages that you don't need. And here it is, for example, this one gets removed. Exit code 0 means it's removed. It's just for the Calamares when you're selecting your keyboards, right? AZERTY, QWERTY and all that. That's what you need to have it, to see these letters. And some more case stuff that goes out the window. So this one, Steam Buddy, exit code 0, but Steam Buddy is installed. So that's okay. Oh, that's okay. Everything installed, all the stuff installed, checking key rings, that's installed. Alright, find, next one. So this is, like I told in the other video, that's okay. Drakut is there, Plymouth is there, and off we go again. Back at the beginning, and we're off again, right? So this is one way of checking what's going on, of what happened during my installation. Did something fail? Was my internet connection gone for a moment? Yeah, you can't install the packages, stuff like that. So there it is, new packages. Maybe you say already, oh, I'm gonna install this or that, right? You know the drill, sudo pacman -s install something, right? Name, you don't know the name, you go to pamac, open it up, categories, groups, repositories, there is the ArcoLinux repo, That's our repository to make configurations. This is from somebody else, third party. So all the new stuff is probably coming from here. Or if it's too big, we put it on the extra large. These are the big guys. 183 megabytes, 242 megabytes. This is big stuff, right? Big applications. And these are okay, right? And this is our stuff. So there you go. If you want to have, for example, something about Android, you saw something about Android, just type it in. There it is. It's all there. Well, at this point in time, it's red, meaning it's installed. All these things are installed. There is more. KDE Connect is there, and so on. Oh, we're already at the end. That's it. If you don't think that's it, yay, Android, go for it. Install more, right? So these guys are here, our system. These community guys on ArcoLinux, and all of these guys, you need to build it yourself. All the white thing up there, and it's a long. Okay, I'm scrolling a bit faster. A long list, about 578 packages that have something to do with Android. All right, have fun, guys. Cheers.